Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get a professional email address cheap. So let's start. For this reason, I will recommend you EasyMails. EasyMails will help you to create a professional email and create an email address for business or professional use, and not only use at gmail.com that is bored. Also use info at your company name, and this is very important to look professional as business. If you want to turn a company, you really want to have business email. So now just scroll down and you will find here the packages. We find here the mailer. This is the cheaper one, and this price is $2.99 per month. But not only that, guys, we have a special discount for you, and if you click the link below, you will get the 80% off from this price, so you have to pay a little bit. Then also we offer you 0-day money back guarantee for this one option. So now just click on order, and here on order you will find here the comes to mail, the benefits, that is secure checks, live in 2 minutes to mail boxes, as I told you, 0-day money back guarantee. And also if you need help with something, the support from EasyMails will give you 24 hours and easily and quickly. And only that, if you want to get the email quickly, this will give you the email in less than 2 minutes. Now just click here on order now, and you'll find here the page for payments. As I told you, this is $2.99 per month, but add this code, that is how to, and then just apply it, and look to find the 80% off for a month. Just write your email address as well as your company email address, your card information, your month and CVC, and your card holder name here. Also just select your country or region, and then if you want to save the information, you can do it for future payments. If not, it's no problem. So that, guys, you will get the cheaper email address, business email address for you. So thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.